Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel in Expert Coding. I am Amarjeet Kumar and today I will tell you how to download pycharm in your system. There I can do Python programming. So let's go watch my video and going on. First open your Google Chrome. So here write pycharm download and hit enter. So here coming first website download pycharm Python IDE professional. Jetbrains.com. Click there, click here, first website, and coming some pages here version 22.3, 2022.3. So here all operating system are coming Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So I download in Windows. So here professional and community. Professional with Python development with HTML, JavaScript, and SQL support. So here 330 only 30 days here free. But I don't download this 330 days, and I only download open source free built permanently on free open source. So here click there download. I'm click download. So my downloading is starting. So here save and my download is starting. So I can see where download. So here download is so I don't download here because I have already downloaded this application PyCharm. So I am going on to here downloading my application. So I am reached my own application PyCharm and now install the PyCharm. How install the PyCharm? I double click PyCharm and here click yes and welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup and we do next and here location where you give your location, so choose there and write. I already here live in this application, so next and here what you choose the location. So I choose create a story.py. So all choose open folder project, all choose here extension and next and here JetBrains. So I already written Python JetBrains and install. Wait some time. So do install. Python install sometime take your but don't skip. Wait. Many times so checking because their all extension is downloaded in your system in PyCharm. Take time. So, yes, completed my PyCharm is here successfully installed and I do finish. And here some phase is cam JetBrains communicated terms. So here I click I continue that I have read in the accept terms of agreement and continue. Here don't data sharing don't send. So we open PyCharm 2022 and my project. Here I do full screen and new project. New project where Python is okay and virtual use is okay. Continue global is okay. Continue is okay. And here add interpreter not. So create our new community and create project. So here first time downloading, so it's slow working because sometimes it takes. Now up here create new project main.py, and here I created a new file, new Python file. So here write demo.py. Here my class. Here check my pycharm is working in not. So first program I write print hello world. So print hello world, hello hello world, sorry, hello world. And now I'm going to run this program. You can here, you can from here run the program. Then here also here program run the I do here run the program and ship successfully. My PyCharm is working because output is right output is give give me. So I hope all you are understood this video. So thank you. And if you video is good, so subscribe my channel, mm, because daily new video I am doing daily coming.